All right, welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 7, importing models in App Lab. So this says importing a machine learning model. Our model has already been trained. Let's import it into App Lab. Do this. Press the gear above the toolbox to open the extra menu, then select Manage AI Models from the list. All right, select Class Recommender from the list, then press the Import button. Press the Run button and test the app to verify that it works. You do not need to edit any of the code. Throughout the unit, we'll learn about what these blocks do, but you don't need to make any changes right now. All right, so there's the instructions. We're going to click on the gear. So select that, manage AI models. All right. Now, before we press import, let's take a moment and look at this. So class book recommender, accuracy, 91% accurate. All right. Intended use. This model can recommend a book to read based on your interests. It's meant for a new student in the school so they can read a book that other people in the school have also read and have something to talk about to make new friends. Warnings and limitations. The books are based on the types of books that people in our school have read, so it may not be super helpful to people in other schools who haven't read these books. We also only ask the people in our school about what they liked. People in other schools might have different preferences. If we could, we'd give our survey to everyone so lots of people can be represented. About the data. This data was collected from students in several different middle school computer science classes. Dataset row 120 rows. So that means that they have 120 um, bits of data. Like 120 students have said, this is what I like, this is what I read, blah, 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 blah. All right. Features and label. Predict book based on animal, describe, where spend time, and how spend time. So label book, which book you should read. Possible values, adventure book like Hatchet, comedy book like A Series of Unfortunate Events, fantasy book like Harry Potter, thriller book like The Book Thief. All right, features, animal. Which animal do you like the most? Possible values, wolf, dragon, cat, walrus. Describe. Which word best describes you? Possible values, independent, silly, thoughtful, mysterious. Where spend time? Where would you prefer to spend your time? Possible values, outdoors or indoors. How spend time? How would you prefer to spend your time? Possible values by myself or with friends. So that's all the data that the AI bot has been trained on. And that has made the class book recommender. So we're going to import that. All right. So with a partner, can you identify the line where the button press happens? So let's take a look. Variable data gets list. On event, class book recommender predict. Click. So this line right here, line 2. When we click on the class book recommender predict, so this button right here, that's when all of this is going to happen. All right. So add paired data, animal, get text. Add paired data, describe, get text. Add paired data, where spend time, yeah, get text. Add paired data, how spend time, get text. Set text, class book recommender prediction. Get prediction, class book recommender, data. um, and then set text to the value. All right. So this right here is, I'm assuming the AI. So let's see, data, get prediction. Yeah, so that right there. And then this is the information from each of the values. All right, so all the information is there. Can you identify the lines where all of our data is being collected? So that would be lines 3 through 6. And can you identify the line where our prediction happens? That is definitely line 8. All right, so that is all we have to do for this level. We're gonna click run, make sure it works. So wolf, independent, outdoors, by myself. Actually, I'm gonna change this. Thoughtful. All right, predict. Yay! All right, now we got Harry Potter. All right, so with that, we know that it works. I'm gonna click on finish, and I will see you on level 3. Here we go.